He's somewhere. There's a bird in here. Oh, we don't attack me. What's this? Hopefully you don't get freaked out. He's back here. Damn bird. Slee, look at that. There's a bird in my house. Look at that. Oh, he just crashed into something. Look at that. You see that? There's a freaking bird in my house. Look at this. I'm filming this on my freaking phone. Look at this. Dang, it's trying to freaking fly over me and stuff. Dad, come here, look at this. Come here, look at this.
Oh my God.
Look at this. It ain't. Look at this. This is amazing. And this is it. It's freaking me out. There's a freaking bird in here. Look, there's a bird in here. Look at this.
Well, open the back door and let him out of here.
I'm not going back. He might fly, hit me or something. I ain't touching freaking. Look at that. Oh, dang. He's flying in circles. That's cute. That's cool, isn't it? Dang. He come through the chimney, Dad.
The chimney?
Yeah, I'm filming this, so. Let me try to. He's getting on top of your TV, Dad.
Well, I'm out of here.
I don't want to touch him.
No problem. I didn't tell you to touch him.
No, he's gonna freaking hit me. Like, he's like, I don't want to get hit by him. Because it's gonna hurt.
Did you need anything?